What is going on, guys? This is Coding Cleverly here with a brand new video. We're going to be talking about different concepts in Java today. So first we're going to talk about what scope is. So this could be applied in other languages as well. The concepts are similar. So let's get started. One is called class level. Second is called method level. And the third one is called block scope. So class level scope will deal with, the instance variables that are available in the program. And method level scope will deal with local variables. Those variables declared within a method argument. So like when we create a function, the input arguments or whatever's inside of the function are those local variables, and you cannot access them outside of that function. So block scope, those variables that are declared in a for loop, and these are only accessible inside of that loop, and once you exit out of that loop, they're no longer available for you. Kind of like local variables, but these are called loop variables, and these are particularly for loop conditions or while loop conditions, which are only accessible inside of the body of the loops.